Energy carries forward civilization. Technology changes the world. In human history, the interaction between energy and technology has fueled the changes of eras. With the world's first nuclear power plant put into operation in 1954, nuclear energy entered people's lives. In 1985, the FCD of Qinshan Nuclear Power Plant marked the beginning of nuclear power on the Chinese mainland. Nuclear power began to benefit the Chinese people 6 years later. Independent design and construction are hallmarks of the uniqueness and value of the Qinshan Nuclear Power Plant. The project also led its constructor, CNEC, to a dominant position in the industry. The development of CNEC started back in 1955. From national nuclear projects in the early days to the current application of civil nuclear power technology, CNEC has participated in almost every program. Through 60 years of efforts, China has established an integrated nuclear power industry system. CNEC, a pioneer and trailbreaker in the development of the industry, has also grown into a well-known large enterprise group. With the longest history, largest scale and highest degree of industrial integration in the sector, CNEC represents the highest standard of nuclear power plant construction in China. As the only enterprise in the world that has been engaged in nuclear power plant construction for 30 consecutive years, CNEC is capable of building almost all types of mainstream and experimental reactors in the world. The scale of the nuclear power units under construction by CNEC is the largest in the world. All of this makes CNEC an undoubted leader in the global nuclear power plant construction sector. World-class nuclear power talents can be fostered only by companies capable of building world-class nuclear power plants. In 2011, CNEC established the world's first International Construction Training Centre, ICTC, on nuclear power to train and provide senior management staff for nuclear operators around the world. Listing its entire nuclear power business chain on the stock market is the only way for CNEC to build itself into a world-class giant. On June 6, 2016, the company was listed on China's A-share market, with a market value of over 40 billion yuan. This represents a giant leap in the company's development. Rapid economic development has brought about changes in energy production and consumption. Nuclear energy, currently the most efficient clean energy, is creating more value for human beings. Currently, nearly half of the nuclear power units under construction worldwide are located in China. By 2020, the installed nuclear power capacity in the country is expected to hit 58 gigawatts, with 30 gigawatts more under construction. The promising nuclear power market brings CNEC enormous business opportunities. Facing a huge domestic market and broad development space, in the pursuit of both honesty and professionalism, CNEC aims to provide its clients with efficient and accurate services guaranteed by its high awareness of nuclear safety and security, a strong capacity for independent innovation, and an advanced system for technology management. CNEC has long been engaged in the exploration of science and technology. 861 authorized patents, 236 software copyrights, a leading sci-tech innovation center, 6 technology R&D centers, and 13 synergetic innovation centers constitute its core competence. With a strong capacity for independent innovation, CNEC has expanded its business into the application of advanced nuclear energy technologies, represented by the high-temperature gas-cooled reactor, HTGR. Recognized as the most advanced fourth-generation nuclear power technology, HTGR has outstanding safety and efficiency, representing the world's leading level of nuclear power technology at present. Today, nuclear reactors have become a highlight of China's high-end manufacturing sector under the country's Going Global strategy. As a front-runner tapping into the global market, CNEC has undertaken a number of nuclear power projects overseas, including those in Chasma and Karachi, Pakistan. In January 2016, as the only entity authorized to promote China's HTGR technology abroad, CNEC signed MOU on HTGR projects with King Abdullah City, Saudi Arabia for atomic and renewable energy, marking a key step in China's export of its homegrown fourth-generation reactors. Green and sustainability have become key criteria for assessing energy development and utilization. Future energy standards will become cleaner, safer, and more efficient. In terms of non-nuclear clean energy, CNEC has been mainly engaged in hydropower investment, while expanding its business in the fields of power grid, wind power, and photovoltaic in a coordinated manner. With its unique competitiveness in terms of non-nuclear construction, CNEC has expanded its business into the fields of industrial and civil projects. In particular, it has accumulated rich experience and acquired abundant capacity in building large-scale, complex industrial and civil facilities. Meanwhile, it has also tapped into the sewage treatment, real estate, investment and financing markets. Adhering to a strategy that underscores nuclear-related business as its foundation, attaches equal importance to construction and clean energy businesses, and encourages moderate business diversification, CNEC is aiming to build itself into a giant enterprise with a greater capacity to provide its clients with wider-ranging and more targeted technological services. Since its establishment, CNEC has always remained true to its core values of responsibility, safety, quality, and excellence. Adherence to its core values enables CNEC to repeatedly set new records, build up its brand, provide highly qualified services, create value for society, and supply customers with clean energy, pursuing excellence in every project and in every attempt to explore new areas. Green energy lights up the future. Together, we power a new future.